Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Mufassil. In my third video, it is also related with list topic. In my third program, here we will see the list of even numbers. We will make a list of even numbers from the given list that is taken input from the user. So in this program filters out even numbers from a list, creating a list of numbers that you can see in your screen: 3, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 18, 20 by taking the user's input, creating an empty list for for even numbers. The program loops through the list numbers and checks if each number is even or not. That is, num mod 2 is equals to 0. Even numbers are added to the even numbers list using the append method, and you can see the output